What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the secondary air injection pump hose on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. Take a straight blade screwdriver, loosen up this worm clamp right here. And you can wiggle this off a little bit. If you have to, you can take a pick, get it underneath there, loosen up the hose. I'll loosen up this worm clamp right here. Just using a straight blade screwdriver. Once that's loose, you can rotate the hose back and forth. Just grab a 90-degree pick, get underneath there and loosen it up. There we go. And there's the hose. Just take the hose clamps, get those lined up how you want them. Line up the bottom first, slide that on there. Make sure that hose clamp goes all the way around. And I'll get the top one started as well. And that's good. Now I can tighten up the hose clamps. That's right. Just take the straight blade screwdriver, tighten this one up snug. Doesn't have to be too tight, just snug. And then same with this one. There you go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.